Stop. What's going on, guys? I'm Dji Fpv and today we're going to talk about the different flight mode that comes with the Dji Fpv. One of the great things about the Dji Fpv are the different flight mode it comes with. Here are the three modes: normal, sport and manual. Before we get started, let's talk about the Dji Flight Simulator. It is a great tool for any beginner to get their confidence level up before they even put their drone in the air. Okay, now let's jump right into normal mode. And this is by far the easiest mode to fly your Dji Fpv. It flies just like any other previous DJI drone. If you are a beginner, this mode will be 100% fine with you. It uses the front sensor and the down sensor to avoid obstacles. This is a very nice mode to start your FPV journey. It flies very slow and very easy. Sport mode will be the same experience as normal mode, but it will be a lot faster, a lot more responsive, and the sensors will be disabled. It will go from 0 to 100 kilometers in 2 seconds. This mode does require a little more experience to avoid crashing. Finally, you can switch to manual mode. This mode will give you your classic FPV experience. It requires skill to fly in this mode, and only experienced pilot should attempt to fly in manual mode. You are in full control of your aircraft and you are 100% responsible for the maneuvers of your drone. Once you are ready and confident after spending some time practicing in the simulator, you can pull off some of the most amazing shots with this drone. It will roll, flip, flop and dive like any other FPV drone. I have been flying my DJI FPV for 3 months and I am still building my skill and my confidence. On top of all these modes, there are a few safety features which are great for beginners. First is a return to home button, which can be used in any of the modes. Once you press that button, your drone will return to its home point like any other DJI drones. Now let's talk about emergency brake and hover. Flying manual mode can be very fun and exciting. It can also turn into a disaster very quickly. Because of its incredible speed, one starting out can easily lose control. In this case, all you have to do is push the emergency brake button. The drone will automatically stop, go back into normal mode and hover. This mode can get you out of many bad situations. Last, let's talk about Find My Drone. In the event you crash, do not panic. In your goggle, go into Setting, Safety and push Find My Drone. Then what will happen? Your goggle will play the last 30 seconds of footage before you crash. And if this is not good enough, you can go into the profile setting in your DJI app and click Find My Drone. This will give you the exact location of your drone on a map. I hope this was helpful to start your FPV journey. And if you like it, click the like button, and if you loved it, subscribe.